When you crunch on it first, it like blows it out. It's kind of scary.
It came out my nose.
Kirsten's smoking.
Wait, what
Whoa!
coming
It came out of his nose.
Is there anything coming out of my mouth?
No.
What am I doing wrong?
That was cool. It came out of his nose.
That's good.
I think I'm doing it wrong.
But it can take some, Joanna.
I know. I'm enjoying you guys doing it.
But you can enjoy it while taking some for yourself, too. Or else we're going to have to get another one.
You're a dragon.
I'm smoking.
Hey.
No!
Snoring dog. Crazy Daniel. It's like no matter what, when he comes out of the water, it looks like the top of his head is dry.
Yeah, I know. He's waiting. Like you just creeped yourself out. He kept doing this with his eyes closed and his hand went into the thing. It's like, Tag, you're it.
But can I catch you going into the deep end? Swimming like you did before?
It's hard when it's only two people, though.
Not like we've never done it before.
Because you love me.
My knee hurts. in.
Like straight up. You're there. Ah, you gotta do a flip.
Look like you're trying not to drown.
That looks like a snake.
Yeah. Let's do it.
It's like you're doing this.
The first one will be like this.
I think all his swims look the same.
That would look like a butt swim.
Let's do the butt swim.
The butt swim.
I was about to say that. Just when you think he was gonna hit you with water. Ay.
Oh, you sound vlogging. Oh.
Oh my god. Come on, Marco Polo. You burped in the water?
What is this?
Taking a video.